In the early days of Jesus' ministry, a great crowd gathered on a mountainside in Galilee, drawn by the miraculous deeds and teachings they had heard about. As they settled, eager to listen, Jesus began to deliver what has come to be known as the Sermon on the Mount, a discourse that would transform lives and societies with its radical reimagining of what it means to be blessed. Looking over his audience, Jesus opened his mouth and declared, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven." With these words, he turned the world's understanding of success and happiness on its head. Where many saw power and wealth as signs of divine favor, Jesus instead pointed to humility and spiritual need as the gateways to God's kingdom. Continuing, he described a kingdom where the meek inherit the earth, those who mourn are comforted, and the merciful receive mercy. Purity of heart, a thirst for righteousness, and a commitment to peace were extolled, qualities that society undervalued or misunderstood. Through these pronouncements, Jesus unveiled a divine upside-down kingdom where values are radically realigned. Mercy trumps might, purity surpasses pride, and peacemakers become children of God. "You are the salt of the earth," Jesus proclaimed, addressing his followers. "But if the salt loses its saltiness, how can it be made salty again? It is no longer good for anything." Here, he emphasized their role in preserving goodness and adding flavor to the world, urging them not to lose their distinctive character in a world eager to erase it. Furthermore, he declared, "You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden." This metaphor of light highlighted the responsibility of his disciples to illuminate the dark places, reflecting the divine light that shone through their deeds and words. Jesus went on to clarify that he had not come to abolish the law or the prophets, but to fulfill them. The righteousness he called for transcended mere legalism, asking for transformation from the inside out. True righteousness was about love and compassion that began in the heart and extended outward into action. In this monumental teaching, Jesus redefined what it means to live as children of God, calling his followers to be influencers for good, shining brightly in a world deeply in need of redemption. Christian teaching. True blessings lie in a pure heart and merciful deeds, reflecting God's light in the world.